Hi, Art Scholars! Well, last Thursday was our last day of our 2-week workshop series. We introduced the Wonders of Oil Pastels. Our first step was to make sure that we colored our base layer with bright, bold colors.
You're welcome, my dear.
When applying color, we decided to avoid complementary colors or colors that are opposite on the color wheel next to each other. We decided that tertiary colors were the best. Tertiary colors are red-orange, yellow-green, blue-violet, or red-violet. Those are just some examples. We had a lot of fun mixing colors. We ended up creating colors on our own. The third step is to apply black oil pastel over the entire composition. With a toothpick, you can create your design by scratching the surface. The last step is to cut out our designs, glue them on a white cardstock, and we've created a one-of-a-kind handmade card. These works of art were created by my middle school art scholars. Enjoy! Our final project of the week was landscape drawing. All you're going to need for this one is oil pastels, a piece of white paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Art scholars were first introduced to the horizon line and the vanishing point. We included a background, a foreground, and then we decided to add some mountains, trees, structures, and all the little details we want to include in our composition. These are examples of some of the completed works by my art scholars in grade 1. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. If you're interested in more art projects that you can do at home, come and visit my website. The title is Sarah Alfaro, Art Educator, and here's the link. Don't forget to like and subscribe.